this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off comments on specific videos or on a single video on your YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So if you have this video that you don't want anyone to comment on, the best thing to do is to go ahead and turn off comments on that particular video. For instance, I can take here a video like this one and then go ahead and turn off the comments. To do so, just go to YouTube Studio by clicking on your icon here and then choose YouTube Studio. And you can also do this on your mobile app. Now, once you are here, go to Content, and this will list all the videos that you have published on your channel. Go ahead and choose that particular video that you want to turn off comments. So for my case, I want to turn off comments on this particular video. And now from here, scroll down. And as you can see here, we can make changes or edit the details on our video. So if you scroll down, you can see we have this option called Show More. Once you click on it, you'll see we have more functionalities that you can use to control how your video should appear. If you go down below here, you should be able to see this option called Comments and Ratings. Now you have an option here to choose if and how you want to show comments. Currently you can see the comments are on. So if I click on this, I can either pause the comments, which means no one can further comment on this video, or I can totally turn them off and go ahead and save. And at this point, the comments will be turned off on this video. So that's how you can turn off comments on specific videos or on a single video on your YouTube channel. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.